Is Google Chrome not opening on your Windows computer? Whether Chrome won't launch, crashes immediately, or stays stuck in the background, there are several simple fixes you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Chrome not opening step by step. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches or background processes can sometimes prevent Chrome from launching properly. After Windows restarts, try opening Chrome again. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Google Chrome processes that may still be running in the background. Select them and click End Task. Even if Chrome isn't visible, background processes can sometimes prevent a new window from opening. Now click the Google Chrome shortcut and choose Run as administrator. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. This can help if Chrome is unable to start because of a permissions issue. If Chrome opens but immediately crashes, a problematic extension or damaged settings could be the cause. Try starting Chrome without extensions if possible, or reset Chrome settings to their defaults through the Browser Settings menu. This keeps your bookmarks and saved passwords while restoring most settings. If the issue continues, uninstall Google Chrome from Settings, restart your computer, and install the latest version from the official Google Chrome website. Installing a fresh copy replaces damaged program files that may be preventing Chrome from opening, and that's how to fix Chrome not opening. Restarting your PC, ending background processes, checking permissions, resetting Chrome, or reinstalling the browser will solve most startup problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.